beautiful English. Speak fluently and correctly.
Hi everybody, I am teacher Vlad and the beautiful English speaking training system. Everybody who wants to speak English fluently and correctly should learn speaking English with beautiful English. I feel super excited because more and more English learners join our beautiful English community. And I am very glad that our lessons and courses can help many English learners to improve their English and start speaking fluently and correctly. I know that many English learners and even those who can speak English fluently have difficulties in making interrogative and negative sentences and in speaking in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. Many English learners even don't know what passive voice is at all. If you are one of them, don't panic. English Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit is the most complete, the most effective and the easiest to learn among all the existing Grammar Tenses courses. It is your encyclopedia, your guide into the world of advanced English. If you are somewhere on the basic or intermediate level, you should take our speaking training kit and practice speaking in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. English Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit consists of 3 courses: English Grammar Tenses Active Voice, English Grammar Tenses Passive Voice, and English Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit. Each course is unique. Each course is built on the Synergetic Language Matrix (SLM), new, innovative, beautiful and very effective speaking training technology. Each course is a set of specially designed, beautiful and very effective speaking training tools and speaking simulators. Speaking Training Kit contains more than 200 beautifully crafted and high-quality video lessons, dialogues, and quizzes. English Speaking Training Kit course goes together with PowerPoint files. The course is designed so that you can control all the learning process by yourself. All pictures are clickable. You can click them one by one, you can click them randomly, and you can practice speaking at your own pace. If you are an English language teacher, you can use our courses and lessons in your classroom. Your students will be happy to practice speaking English with beautiful English. As you see, English Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit courses contain everything to help you to understand English on a deep level and start speaking English fluently and correctly in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. If you do all our speaking and writing exercises, then after completing all the 3 Speaking Training Kit courses, you will understand English language on a deep level, broaden your vocabulary, be able to understand spoken English, get automatic speaking skills, be able to make correct English sentences in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice, and speak fluently and correctly in all the grammar tenses and in both active and passive voice. So what are you waiting for? Take your English Grammar Tenses Speaking Training Kit and start speaking English fluently and correctly right now. Yes, with beautiful English you can. I wish you good luck in practicing speaking English and all the best in your life. Never give up. See you at my lessons.